I'm Angela from Get Women Cycling, and we're here at Ride Brooklyn in Brooklyn, New York, and today we're going to talk about shifting gears, or the very basics of shifting gears, and hopefully we'll give you some good tips about when to shift and what numbers mean. So if we could come a little closer here, what we're looking at is this urban bike that most, and on this newer bike you have nice clean gear indicators both on the right side of the bar and on the left side of the bar. The left side is for your front gears, and the right side is for your rear gears. You'll see that this bike has 9 gears in the back and it has 3 gears in the front. Right now, our front is on number 2, gear number 2. We're going to leave it there, and I recommend while you're learning how to shift gears that you leave it in number 2 if you have three options in the front. And in the back, we'll go down the frame of the bike here and show you how the back is affected. Is that you're on gear number, the hardest gear that you have, and ironically but that means as we go higher up this cassette, the pedal stroke will get easier and your gear number becomes lower. So we're at 9, and I'm going to shift the gears now so you can see that chain moving. 9, this is a very hard pedal stroke I'm using, engaging my muscles. As I go up the chain, I'm going to gear number 8, gear number 7, gear number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. And here's the lowest gear I could possibly go to. You notice that the chain is closest to the wheel. And when the chain is closest to the wheel, or as it climbs up closer to the wheel, your pedal stroke will become increasingly easy, more into a spin movement. We'll go back down again. That's 2, gear number 2, gear number 3, 4, 5. 5 is the mid-range, 4 and 5. And this is probably good for most of our New York City streets anyway, which are pretty flat and common. It's when you're going over bridges that you probably want to go up, lower in number, make it easier. And the chain climbs closer to the wheel. It gets closer to the wheel. I'm climbing up the Brooklyn Bridge now, and my spin stroke is a lot easier. And then on the downhill, I'm going to bring that chain back down to number 3, number 4, 5, and get a more flat level ground, an easier pedal stroke, or a more consistent pedal stroke. What else do we need to remind you of? Low, lazy, low gears, low numbers. Number 1, 2, 3. Low numbers means you're in a spin. High numbers, 6, 7, 8. You're going to engage your muscle more, and you're going to have a little bit of use more effort to get that bike across the path. The other thing that you need to know is not all bikes have this nice indicator here. So it's important to remember where your bike chain is so that you can tell when you have a moment to get off your bike or look at your setup. You'll know where in the cassette you are, and you'll know how to move the chain accordingly if you don't have those indicators like these nice new bikes do. I hope this helps. Remember to take your time, practice repeatedly shifting gears. It's not uncommon for people to get nervous for chains to cross over. Just take your time, do it slowly, and you'll be great. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're in Brooklyn or around looking to shop, Ride Brooklyn has a kick-ass sale this weekend, 4th of July sale, and we hope to see you soon. Have a happy 4th. Bye.